Hi, Andrew here at Gateway Toyota. I'd like to show you another great vehicle in our pre-owned lineup. This is a 2016 Toyota Camry. It's the XSE package, so it's the sporty package. Looks absolutely gorgeous. It's in this pre-dawn gray mica. Lots of great features on this. This one has 3M on the hood. It also has the LED daytime running lights. Beautiful alloy wheels that they're painted. Absolutely gorgeous. You can just see the paint is absolutely gorgeous on this. And then of course with the XSE package, you've got the rear spoiler on the trunk lid. Let me show you a few great features on the inside. So really nice inside. This has the it's got like suede and leather seating with the red stitching. Really nice. You've got all of the features. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors on this one. This one has blind spot monitors as well. Paddle shifters on the steering wheel. You've got the audio controls on your steering wheel as well. A nice colored TFT display. Tilt and telescopic steering. Push button start. You got the auto dimming rear view mirror with compass. You also have the home link system for your garage door openers. Power sunroof. You've got the nice big screen here. Backup camera. Dual zone automatic climate control. You've got USB and auxiliary input. Heated mirrors. Automatic transmission. Heated front seats. I mean, this has got absolutely everything on it. Absolutely gorgeous. For more information about this great vehicle, check us out at gatewaytoyota.ca or give us a shout at 780-439-3939 or come down in person. We're at 2020 103rd A Street Southwest in Edmonton. We can't wait to show you this great vehicle, and as well check us out on our YouTube channel for more information about upcoming new and pre-owned vehicles. We're at Gateway Toyota in Edmonton, and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll see all the latest inventory that we have coming in. We hope to see you soon. Take care.